Are you hoping to make more video content this year for your business or organization? Are you convinced that video marketing works, but you're just not sure if you have the budget to hire a professional? At Revox, we understand two important things. Number one, video is the best way to share your story. And number two, video production can be expensive. But what if we told you that you could start creating more videos this year without breaking the bank? What if we showed you the necessary steps to take so that you can start creating more videos completely on your own, all with a budget of around, give or take, $50? Now, you don't need expensive equipment or a professional production agency if you just want to film and share videos to your social media channels. Sure, great equipment and an award-winning film crew would likely help you deliver an amazing, high-quality, lead-generating video, but what if you just want to keep it simple to start out? In today's Revox resource video, we are going to walk through 3 steps and 3 tools to help you start to create great videos while on a budget. Hey everyone, my name is Chris Norris and I'm the owner of Revox Social, where we help our clients reach more people with the right message through the power of social and digital media. One of the ways we help our clients share powerful stories and enticing offers is through the lens of a video camera. We've worked with dozens of businesses and organizations to create high quality videos for television and social media. But today we're going to learn how you can achieve great results completely on your own. The first step in creating your video on a budget would be to determine the goal of the video. Like anything else you're doing in your business, you want to have a clear goal, your why. Because especially with video, it's a fair amount of work, so having a goal in mind will help you stay focused. Now here are some examples of goals our clients establish before we begin producing their videos for them. To tell someone's powerful story. To bring exciting attention to something they're doing or offering. To raise awareness about their mission, who they help, or what they do to impact people. To inform or inspire people to take action. To communicate a clear message or announcement to internal or external constituents. The overall goal of the video will help guide exactly what you want the message to be, which takes us to step 2, establishing a clear message. This doesn't mean you have to write a Hollywood-ready script. It just means that you need to know what the dialogue or narrative of the video will be. Talking points, interview questions, or a full script. Those are all examples of video messaging. At Revox, when we write the messaging for our videos or our emails or our social media content, we try to tell stories and make the dialogue relatable to the audience. In fact, go back and watch what I said at the beginning of this video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The final step for your budget-friendly video production process is to make sure you maximize exposure. Let's face it, you're gonna put in a fair amount of work in creating your videos, so you wanna make sure you get the most bang for your buck, right? We never recommend a client make a video and share it only in one place. In fact, we encourage our clients to share their videos in as many places as possible in order to get the most views and exposure, thus accompanying their goal in spreading the message. Here are some ways that we suggest to maximize the exposure of your videos. Edit a long form version of your video, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Put that on YouTube. Cut shorter clips of that video, 1 or 2 minutes, for social media posts. Cut even shorter clips of your video, 15, 30 seconds maybe, for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Include your video in your email newsletter, add your video to your website, and maybe, if you're comfortable and confident enough, consider a 30-second television commercial with your video. As you can see, video is a great way to repurpose content and information across a variety of digital platforms. Now that you understand the necessary steps to filming your budget-friendly videos this year, let's talk about some helpful tools you will need as well. First, you obviously must have an amazing camera that films 4K quality footage that's lightweight, durable, easy to use. But where can you find a camera like that? In your pocket, of course. The best video camera to use is the one you already have, and that is your smartphone. Be sure to set it to video mode, turn it horizontally, and hit record. Bonus tip, make sure you have enough memory available to film. The second very important tool that you will need to have is threefold: a tripod, lav mic, and a light. This is really the only equipment you should consider purchasing because each of them is very important to filming professional looking videos. The tripod helps you avoid shaky video. The lav mic ensures crystal clear audio. The light makes sure we can see your face or the person you may be interviewing on camera. And even if you aren't filming someone on camera, a light is still a helpful tool to have. Now, each of these tools is available for around $20 or $30, give or take, on Amazon, and we'll add links to our recommendations below. Tool number 3 for making videos is your editing apps. Once you've filmed your video, it's time to edit, right? If you're planning to use your mobile device to do all of this, that's great. There are some really great apps that are free that you can download for both iOS and Android, such as Splice, Quick, and InShot. If you're planning to edit on a desktop or laptop computer, check out capwig.com. There you have it, some helpful steps and helpful tools to get you started making videos this year, all without breaking the bank. If you'd like help in planning, filming, or editing your video, Revox does offer full video creation services, and you can learn more about that at revoxsocial.com/video. Be sure to check out some of our client testimonials and work there as well. Happy video making, everyone.